Okay, let's do it. This is the 180 watt industrial power rotary tool. And I'm going to start off by doing an unboxing. And in the next video regarding this tool, not necessarily straight away, I'll do a review of it. I'll have a bit of play with it first. I like to play with my tools, that I do. So what does it say on the box? I think it's Biong. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Maybe someone can give me the phonetics in the comments down below. It's clearly a Chinese import. Yes, it's made in China. But this has been sent to me by Alloy Man Tools in the US. So it's alloyman.com. Now, I was quite happy to receive it. There's not a paid sponsorship. It's purely been sent to me to have a bit of play with and just to see what I think of it. So I will give you an honest, well, my honest take on it. But first of all, let's do an unboxing, shall we? Corny, eh? Oh, you gotta love an unboxing. Some people do. It's strange, really, isn't it? Well, anyway, I'm not into unboxings, so I'll give it my best crack. That I will. So on the box, it says that it's Evost Consulting Limited on the back. And that's on the UK and the IP. So, and then you've got ECREP. But it says it's compact and a lightweight. That's what it says, yeah. Okay, we'll see. It's 2.65 pounds in weight. So that's what's that? Just over, 2.2 pounds to a kilo. So it's like, I don't know, 2 and a bit kilos. Well, 1 and a bit kilos, sorry. Oh my giddy aunt, my maths are terrible, aren't they? Anyway, 6 variable speed. I can count that far, yeah. 8,000 to 35,000 RPM. That's quite fast, isn't it? Yeah, I'd say so. It's like a little router. Multi-purpose. What? Okay. First mistake. Okay, I'm not going to bash it because but they spelt it wrong. It's a multi-purpose. You've got to have your multi-purpose, haven't you? No, it's a multi-purpose tool. That's what it is. I don't understand why some manufacturers in China don't get the simplest things right. Sometimes the tools are really good. I'm hoping this is going to be really good. Now, price-wise, I believe it's around $40 for this tool. And there's a 1-year warranty. Okay, anything else on here? Ergonomic design, high power, versatility. It's got 186 accessories. Yeah, okay. Well, should we have a look inside? I think we should, because it's an unboxing. And I haven't actually looked yet, so I don't actually know what's in there. I know that's on there, because it's got a picture of it, yeah. It hasn't got a picture of anything else on the actual box. Now, I don't think that's such a clever thing to do. As somebody who might have a little bit of experience in marketing, where's the picture of the accessories and all the other bits that you might get with it? It should really be on outside the box cover, on the box sleeve, really. That's my thing, anyway. Unless the view is maybe in the future they're not going to offer those things. But anyway, it comes in this blow-moulded case. It's actually not a bad little case, actually. Yeah, it's okay. It's just a plastic blow-moulded case. A couple of cam locks. And you've got a handle. Oh, you've got to have your handle. I've got the handles too, I have, yeah. Yeah, those sort of handles. Anyway, what we got? All right, we've got a destruction manual. There you go, you've got your destruction manual. And it looks like it's in French and English. And possibly Spanish, I think. Yeah, and it tells you all the bits and pieces you get inside the actual box. Quite a few bits and pieces, accessories, like little sand and thingy-majiggies and cutting discs and stuff like that. Yeah, okay, it's got fairly comprehensive instructions on how to use it, how to put it together, how to install the new brushes if you need them, because you get, it must mean you must get new brushes with it as well, spare set of brushes. A lot of Chinese tools do that, don't they? They give you spare brushes. It's quite interesting. Oh, and a flexible, and how to install. Okay, now it's getting really interesting. Now, if it's what I think it is, it's the sort of thing I would have mounted above my head, and I'd have the flexible tool and do whatever I want with it. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, so what we got? Oh, we've got something in a plastic bag, and it looks like the it looks like the weapon. It does. Yeah, here we go. Here's the weapon, and it happens to be it's a drill. It comes with a cable. Now this is something I always look at when I look at tools, is what is the cable like? Is it a PVC type cable? It's like a hard plastic cable, or does it have a little bit of flexibility, a bit of rubberiness, a bit like me, yeah, in the cable? And I would say that is quite nicely flexible, and it is quite rubbery. I hate PVC type cables. I'll give you an example. It doesn't suppose it matters too much because this is on here, for instance. So that's what I would say is a PVC cable. They're shiny generally, not a matte finish, and not very, yeah, they're quite stiff. Whereas this is quite flexible. This feels soft, which is good. Good sign. Yeah, okay. It's not review, it's just unboxing. It just caught my eye. And what do you get in the box? Okay, you get your weapon, that you do. You get a little box of accessories. We'll have a look at that in a minute. And it looks like we get some paste, probably polishing or sharpening paste. I imagine there's polishing paste in there. And a load of discs. Yeah, that should most likely be cutting discs. Yeah, they're cutting discs. And they're probably metal cutting discs, I imagine. Let's put that over there. All right. Oh, it's quite exciting, really. Like I said, I haven't received any monies to actually. Oh, they just sent it to me, just so you know that. Because I'm not going to lie to you. If I think it's rubbish, I will say it's rubbish, and I do apologise if that is the case. Now, so far, I'm quite happy. Remembering it's not an expensive tool. It's not like Dremel prices. You know what I mean? So we have this little base here. Now, I think that's probably a router base. You get a little router base with it. You get a little guard. Now, these things, you might think, oh, God, why would you want that? It's reasonably thick, actually. I thought it'd be really brittle, but it's not. Yeah, it's quite strong. That's where it breaks, isn't it? Anyway, that's a little sort of guard. Now, you might think, oh, God, why do you want that? But if you're using, take this from my word for this, from experience. If you're doing any polishing, especially with these things, and you put some paste on, a brasso or something like that, and then you're polishing away with your tool, well, you will absolutely want to put that on. You really will. Because what happens, as soon as you put the stuff on, turn it on, well, up your face it goes. Yes, use that for that bit, if that makes sense. Okay, so you get a little guard, which you can see through. You get a little router base, which you can use for, routering or what have you. Not routering, routering, okay? All right, so there we go. We got our flexible. And I didn't realise you get a flexible. See, that's what should be on. That's quite a selling point. So that should have really been on the box cover. It doesn't say anything on there that comes with a flexible. No. So if you saw it on the shelf somewhere, you would know, would you? You're buying it online, yeah, okay, it'll be in the description, or you'd hope so, wouldn't you? In the characteristics. All right, so we have this flexible. Now, generally speaking, what you do is with these, you have a little shaft inside, which you have to kind of get out. You got to get your shaft out. Oh dear, yeah, you got to get your shaft out. So you get your little shaft out like that, and you install the shaft into the chuck and tighten it up. But also you have to remove that ring. There's like a little ring here, and you use that ring also to secure the guard. You got there, all right? The little router base, that just screws on, so you can screw it on like so. So, yeah, that's quite normal. It does have a spindle lock on the actual tool itself, which is quite good. So you can press spindle lock and then make it easier to loosen or tighten the actual chuck. I would have liked to see either a little Tommy bar hole in the side of the chuck or some flats, just in case it didn't want to come undone. So you can get a bit levy. This is where you have to do a bit of pair of pliers or something instead. If you do it too hard, too tight. And then on the other end here, so that would fit onto there and screw onto that thread. Like I say, there's not a review, just unboxing, show you what's in there. And on the other end, you have another little chuck, which does have a little Tommy bar hole in it just there. Also, it's got some flats on the chuck as well. The beauty about this flipping thing is, you see, if this is mounted on a hook just above, you're out of the way, just so you can reach the power buttons and the speed control, because it has 6 speeds on it, you see. Yeah. And then you can literally just have it hanging up there like that, so to speak. And then you've got a nice light tool, quite easy to handle, whereas this is heavier, even though it's not that heavy. It's heavy enough though, isn't it? It's fairly solid, actually, I must say. The plastics feel like reasonable quality, surprisingly, for that sort of money. And anyway, you can easily do what you want, especially if you're doing the engraving. You don't want to be trying to engrave with this thing, do you? No. be a bit much, you know. So the flexible is a welcome addition, but my advice would be to them is to make sure it's on the box lid, on that sleeve, so people know what's in the box. That's my feeling. So I haven't tried it yet or turned it on or anything, so should we turn it on? Let's just see how loud it is. I know this is not a review, it's only an unboxing, but you know, we will do a review in the next video on this tool. Alright, so let's tighten up so it'll fly off. Let's chuck that is. And we have, okay, set to 1. It's near the microphone, so it might be noisy. Oh, no more noise than I expected. In fact, it's quite quiet, really. But let's go up to number 2. Bit noisier, bit louder. Not noisy, louder. Yeah, more positive, isn't it, saying louder? That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 speeds? Did they say 6? I'm not complaining. You almost got a double whammy there. Alright, so let's try again. It's got us roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Thunderbirds, I'll go. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Don't give up your day job, Marcus, don't. Yeah, if I had one, it'd be alright, wouldn't it? Anyway, so, there you go. That is the Bion Industrial Power Rotary Tool. This is only unboxed, so I can't give you a proper review as yet, but that's going to be my next video on this particular tool. Once I've had a bit of a play with it. So I've got to play with the tool first. You know how it is. So you've got to play with the tool so you know how to use it. It's very important that it is. Yes. Anyway, and don't forget your safety glasses, yeah. And if there's anything that's got flying stuff about, wear a dust mask as well. Oh, I did say, actually, I'll just tell you what's inside here. So you've got your polishing discs. You've got some little drum sanding sleeves, which will go onto a drum sanding, I thought I dropped it a minute ago, a little drum sanding rubbery thing, which you screw it on. There it is. It's got one on there already. There, like that. That's rubber, you just strip the end, it tightens, expands it and holds the actual disc on. Okay, so you got one of those as well. There's a smaller one, there's 2 of those. You've got another little pot of discs here as well. Oh, 2 more pots. So you get 3 pots of discs. Different sizes, they're slightly bigger. Probably why they're not in this pot. You get wire wheels. You get little grinding wheels. A series of those. Various little drills, such as that one. I'm not editing this video, so what you see is what you get, okay? So, what else we get in there? You get a little shaft, a little arbor for your discs. And little glass grinding wheels as well for grinding. Oh, and a couple of saw blades. Yeah, you get 2 little saw blades. That's to put in your circular saw, okay? Into your 12-inch circular saw. Maybe your Woden or whatever you got. Yeah, not Woden, was it? No. Oh, in my case, a jet. Oh dear. Oh, and you got your spare little brushes, 2 spare brushes. So, which is a bit of a bonus, I would say. Chinese tools tend to do that. Maybe they've got a lot of faith in their tools. Well, I don't see. Oh, there is a spanner in there. We've got a little tiny flat steel spanner in the pot, and also what looks like a little Allen key as well on the Tommy bar. Well, usually these fit the Tommy bar anyway. The shaft of all your little accessories, they fit the Tommy bar as well for the chuck. So anyway, so far so good. I'm going to go and have a play with it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make something. That's what I think. I'll make something with it. Don't know what yet. That'll be another video. So check that out. Anyway, I hope you like my little unboxing of the Beyond Industrial Rotary Power Rotary Tool. That I can't spell, but they do look like it. Well, it does look like they can actually make a tool. So one tool to another. I'm going to say toodaloo. Toodaloo. I'll leave some links in the description down below. Ta-ta.